Hello everyone. Welcome to Red Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program. Today we are going to see the next writing skill for 10th standard, that is information transfer. First of all, we will see what is the meaning of information transfer. Information transfer is the rewriting of information provided to you in one form to another form. Which are these two forms or two types of information transfer? The first type is non-verbal to verbal information transfer, and the second is verbal to non-verbal information transfer. We will see what is the meaning of non-verbal to verbal information transfer. If you are given information in the form of a table, points, graphs, pie chart, etc., you will have to write a paragraph including all information. This is non-verbal to verbal transfer. That means in the question paper, the information is given in the form of tables, points or graphs or pie charts to you, and you have to compile all that information into the paragraph. Second type is verbal to non-verbal. In this type, you might also be given a paragraph and you will have to elicit the main points to frame a tree diagram or graph or pie chart or some other kind of visual representation containing all the information which is given in the question. This is verbal to non-verbal transformation. Now let us see in detail. First we will study about non-verbal to verbal transformation. Silent features of non-verbal to verbal information transfer. First point, you will be given brief information, that is non-verbal, in the form of a table, points, graphs or pie charts, etc. Information is provided to you. Second point, you are expected to use the points or words given to write a short paragraph, including all that points which are provided to you in the diagram form. You have to create a short paragraph including all that points. Third point, the paragraph you write should include all the points given. No extra points expected. You may add descriptive phrases to make your answer more interesting. This is very important point. See, the paragraph which you will compile from the information given to you, it should include all the points which are given in that particular diagram. But at the same time, no any extra information from your side or extra points from your side you have to add in that. It is not expected. Whatever is given, that much only you have to compile in your paragraph. But you can use the descriptive phrases for making your answer more interesting. Next one, the fourth point. If words are given for guidance, you are expected to frame sentences using those words. If phrases or sentences are given in the question, you are expected to arrange them correctly to write a paragraph with the ideas following smoothly, like a short essay. That means sometimes in points the information is given. In that points, whatever words or phrases are used for guidance, all that you should include in your sentences. Make your sentences using that words or phrases. If phrases or sentences are given in the question, you are expected to arrange them correctly so that the flow of the ideas will go smooth. Like a short essay. As you know, you are writing a short essay in which the ideas are flowing smoothly. Next, fifth point, usually a title or topic is given along with the non-verbal information. If no title is given, provided one of your own. See, it is very important point. In both these information transfer, title is very important. Title contains 1 mark. So, if the title is not given in the question, then according to the material given to you, you have to give your own title to that particular non-verbal to verbal information transfer. Now we will see one example so that your idea will get clear. See, in this question, the fact file about the coconut tree is given. Now using these points, you have to write a paragraph based on that information. The information related with the name, Sanskrit name, scientific name, then family, from which family this coconut tree belongs, the origin, then the height, the area of growth, and any other points are included in this fact file. So these all points you have to include in your answer. See the answer provided. We have given a topic or heading to this particular paragraph, profile of the coconut tree. And the answer, the paragraph is, the Sanskrit name of the coconut tree is Narikela, while in Hindi it is known as the Nariyal. Its scientific name is Cocos nucifera and it belongs to the palm family known as palm. This tree is of Indo-Pacific origin, either around Malaysia or Indian Ocean. In plantation, this tree can grow from 15 to 30 meters in height. It usually grows well in tropical and subtropical coastal regions. It is especially found near sea beaches and along coastlines. In India, this tree is known as Kalpavriksha or the tree of heaven because of its many uses. If you have seen, whatever the points we have given in the question in the fact file, we have all included in the paragraph. Next one, verbal to non-verbal information transfer. For this kind of information transfer, you will be given a paragraph, that is verbal information, and will be expected to convert it into non-verbal type of information. See the silent features of this information transfer. First, you will be given a paragraph containing information about some topic, place, thing, etc. You are expected to convert the information in the form of a table, tree diagram, flowchart, points, graphs, pie chart, etc. So that given paragraph you have to convert into any of these into form of a table, into a form of tree diagram, into a form of flowchart, points or graphs, pie chart, etc. The third point, the non-verbal form of the answer should include all the points mentioned in the paragraph. So, as we have seen that all the points which are given in this paragraph, that you have to use for creating any of this diagram. No any point should be missed by you. The last point, usually a title or topic is given along with the non-verbal information. If no title is given, provide one of your own. Sometimes the topic is given with the paragraph. You can use that only, but if it is not given, then you have to provide your own title to the diagram. See the example. The passage is given. This paragraph gives an idea of what success means to different peoples. Prepare a web diagram depicting the information correctly. Now, if you have seen, the information related with the peoples to whom what is the meaning of success is given. The different meaning is given for each and every person. That you have to transfer into a web diagram. See, for most people, success means financial gain. If one is able to afford the luxuries of life, one considers that as a success. However, for some, success means achieving fame and position in one's field. To others, it is acquiring some sort of status in society. A few people believe that if they can create employment opportunities for others, then they have achieved success. Very few people aim to become role models for others by being successful in their chosen field. Now, see the answer. We have given the heading to this diagram as meaning of success. Then, which is the main point that we have arranged in the center, meaning of success to different peoples, and using the points which are provided in the given passage, we have created this web diagram. So, each and every point is included in the web diagram. I hope you understood what is the meaning of non-verbal to verbal information transfer and verbal to non-verbal information transfer. Thank you for watching.